Well, 2023, nearly over, and it's probably been the quietest I've been on this channel. I've just not had the chance to upload as many videos as I wanted to. Mainly because the neighbours have been renovating that house, and every single day for months on end, banging and crashing and doing God knows what else. I'm surprised that house hasn't fallen down. The annoying thing with that is the fact that they didn't knock on the door and said, hey, look, we're renovating it, may be a bit noisy for a couple of months, but no, they just turned up and did it anyway. Even on the weekend, on the Saturday, Sunday, they'd be there, which really drove me up the wall. And it's a case of on my day off, I think, oh, I'll repair the radio, and as soon as I clear the kitchen table, where I do all my repairs, you may have noticed, they started drilling and banging, and that woman who's rent a gobber order because she's really shouty, couldn't really do anything. So lack of radio repair videos this year. Managed to do some portable videos, HEMA, a few HEMA summits, pinhole beacon, Otley Chevin where I met Chris, M0RSF, which was good to meet Chris. I've met one or two of the other HEMA activators, so it was good to see Chris. Plans for next year, the R600, the Roberts, it needs work doing to it. The module's gone on it, I reckon. It worked for a bit when I repaired it, then I went back to it and it just stopped. Problem with the headphone socket, but that's a known problem. Plugged some headphones in and it worked, then it faded out. Took it out of the case, tapped the module, where the module case is, and it worked for a bit, then it went off. So AF115s I think are in there. So I'm going to have to take that thing out. Family members have retired from work, so getting table time is getting a bit less and less. I have to try and time it between jobs. So R600 repair part 2 coming up next year. I do want to do more portable work, explain the HEMA program a bit more, and because I didn't explain it properly on the previous video, I do want to promote HEMA more because it's a good program. It's an alternative to SOTA. SOTA is good, but this is an alternative to it. Some how-to videos, what the program is all about. Digital modes for amateur radio. I'm not doing FT8 because that's been done to death with all the bigger channels, and there's no point going over it again. There's only so many ways to skin a donkey, but there you go. So yeah, other digital modes such as PSK, radio teletype, maybe slow scan TV. I might try and get some of that done. Anything else? Yeah, I think that's it. I'm not chasing the numbers with this channel. I can't dedicate time to do a video every week and do a live stream. I haven't got the time for it. This is a hobby, it's not a job. I don't go shelling products every day and starting a Patreon and getting massive donations and not saying thank you or just expecting them. It's not this kind of channel. Anyway, that's it. I thought I'd give you an update. Next year, hopefully more videos, but again, it's time. And time seems to be lacking. Anyway, thanks for supporting the channel by watching the videos and thumbs up and all that lot. Really appreciate it. I try and reply to comments, but sometimes I just don't get a chance, or if it's a question that somebody has asked, I will try and get back to you. So I've not forgotten. It's just getting the time to reply and getting a decent reply. So yeah, that's it. And very Merry Christmas, or whatever you celebrate, and Happy New Year. And hopefully more videos coming up. That's it for me. Bye for now. Bye for now, and see you soon.